Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the unboxing and review of Oppo's new A3s. So let's get started. So this is the Oppo A3s box. So after removing the plastic seal, first you have to remove the phone cover, and after removing the phone cover you will get a Oppo logo and a paper box. So in the paper box you are getting a SIM ejector tool, some user guides and a transparent back cover. And after that you are getting the phone. The phone is protected by lamination of a plastic. So there is an adapter and one micro USB cable. There is no type C and there is no headphone. So there is no headphone in Oppo A3s. So first let's go with the basic parameters of Oppo A3s. The basic parameters are, so Oppo A3s will available in two colors, that is dark purple and the red color. And the operating system is ColorOS 5.1 and it is based on Android 8.1. And the processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 and the GPU is Adreno 506. And the battery is 4230 mAh, RAM of 2GB and storage of 16GB. On this price range, Oppo is giving only 16GB of phone storage to the customers. That is not good, because on that price point Xiaomi or Moto gives around 64GB or 32GB of phone storage to the customers. So let's move to the good part of Oppo A3s, and that is the display. The display size is 6.2 inches and type of IPS. The resolution is HD plus 1520 by 720 pixels. Colors is 16 million and it supports multitouch and capacitive touchscreen. And the main thing is that the display comes with a notch, right? That's notch. So now let's move to the camera of Oppo A3s. The rear sensor is 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. It's a dual camera setup, and 13 megapixel sensor is aperture of f2.2 and 2 megapixel sensor aperture is f2.4. And the front camera is 8 megapixel and the aperture of f2.2. Both front camera and rear camera can shoot easily 1080p video from the Oppo A3s. So I am sharing some photos and videos from Oppo A3s that you can check and realize the camera is Oppo A3s is good or not. So let's check the samples and some videos. So guys, this video is directly recorded from a Oppo A3s phone camera. So Oppo A3s is a good phone on this price point because of its display, sharpness and obviously that notch. But it has a really tough competition with Oppo's own Realme One, Moto E5 Plus, Redmi Note 5, Honor 7X and Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Those have better cameras, more RAM and obviously the more phone storage, because you can't use a 16GB of storage phone in 2018 because you are getting around 7.6GB in Oppo A3s, and that is not possible in 2018. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.